Welcome to Chemistry Basics. Chemistry is one of the most fascinating and important sciences you will ever study. It is literally everywhere around you, from the air you breathe to the food you eat, from the medicines that keep you healthy to the devices you use every day. In this series, we will explore what chemistry is, why it matters, and how it connects to every aspect of our world. Let's begin our journey into the science of matter. So what exactly is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of matter, its properties, its composition, and the changes it undergoes. But what does that really mean? Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Everything you can see, touch, or feel is made of matter. Chemistry helps us understand what matter is made of, how different substances behave, and most importantly, how they transform through chemical reactions. When substances interact and change into new substances, chemistry explains why and how this happens. Chemistry touches every aspect of our daily lives in ways you might not even realize. In food and nutrition, chemistry explains how our bodies digest food, how flavors are created, and how we preserve food to keep it fresh. In medicine and health, chemistry is essential for developing new drugs and treatments that save lives. When we look at the environment, chemistry helps us understand pollution and develop sustainable solutions. And in energy and technology, chemistry drives innovation in batteries, fuels, and advanced materials that power our modern world. Chemistry is a vast field, so scientists have divided it into several main branches. Organic chemistry focuses on carbon-based compounds, which are the foundation of all living things. Inorganic chemistry studies all other compounds that don't contain carbon-hydrogen bonds, including metals and minerals. Physical chemistry examines how energy interacts with matter and the physical properties of substances. Analytical chemistry deals with identifying what substances are made of and measuring their quantities. Biochemistry studies the chemical processes that occur in living organisms. And environmental chemistry focuses on how chemicals affect our ecosystems and how we can protect our planet. Chemistry is often called the central science, and there's a good reason for this. Chemistry acts as a bridge connecting all other scientific disciplines. It links physics and mathematics with biology and medicine. It connects geology with astronomy and environmental science. Without chemistry, we couldn't fully understand how the physical world works, how life functions, or how to solve the challenges facing our planet. This central position makes chemistry absolutely essential for anyone wanting to understand the natural world and contribute to scientific progress. Understanding chemistry is crucial for three main reasons. First, it helps us understand the world around us by explaining how substances interact and transform in everyday life. Second, chemistry drives innovation and progress by enabling us to develop new materials, create life-saving medicines, and build advanced technologies. Third, chemistry is essential for solving global challenges like climate change, developing clean energy sources, and creating sustainable solutions for our future. By studying chemistry, you're not just learning facts and formulas. You're gaining the tools to understand your world and the power to change it for the better.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.